Hey guys, Army Biker here. I just got in a new Scorpion Exo R1 helmet. Gonna open it up, see what's inside, and I'm gonna tell you how I got this helmet for $250. Let's check it out. Okay guys, let's open up the box and let's see what's inside. Got the helmet with a nice bag. We have the extra shield that it comes with. Looks like the dark smoke. We have the pin lock ready insert. And also I bought it from FC Moto, and also got a bandana. It's like a multi-wear. Pretty cool. They threw that in. And that's pretty much it. Okay guys, I'm gonna check out the helmet for the first time. First, I want to point out that the dark smoke visor comes in this nice bag. That's really cool. Since I only get one pin lock insert, I will be installing the dark smoke lens and putting the pin lock on the dark smoke. Alright guys, let's check it out. Here it is. The Scorpion Exo R1 Air Corpus helmet. It says right here on the visor, pin lock ready, quick liner, quick fit for the glasses, air fit liner, inflation system, race performance helmet, has a TCT composite lightweight shell, air fit liner inflation system, washable liner, aerodynamic quiet shell design, speaker pockets, emergency release system, and a 5-year warranty. So guys, next to me I have my old Exo R410 helmet that I've had for over 5 years. I think Scorpions, honestly, are probably the best bang for the buck. I will be replacing this helmet with this one, and just comparing them side by side, they've come a long way. Look at, for example, the bag it came with back in the day. Flimsy, looks like an old pair of underwear. Compared to now, which is really cool. I actually like this bag. So with this one, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on, see how the fit is, and I will try the new air fit system. So the helmet fits perfect. Feels great, very comfortable. I'm happy with it so far. Let me go ahead and use the pump feature and see how it feels. That's pretty cool. So what it's doing is it's tightening up the cheek area to give it more of a race fit. Super snug. I'm happy with that. So guys, this helmet normally sells for about $430 here in the States. I was able to buy this helmet with tax for about $250 off a site called FC Moto. They're based out of Germany. Now keep in mind, when you buy a helmet outside of the States, especially over there on their website, it's only ECE rated. It's not DOT rated. Is it a good deal? Yeah. Am I happy with this helmet? Hell yeah. This is a sick helmet, guys. If you're on a budget, and you're thinking about spending less than $300, I'd go check them out. Only thing is, it took about 20 days to get here. Okay? It wasn't overnight. I waited a long time for this helmet. Like I said, it's about 20 days, shipped from DHL, from Germany. So guys, here's a closer look at the helmet. You see it looks like carbon fiber. It's just a decal. Top vent, super easy to open and close. Chin vent. Let's go ahead and look inside the helmet and I'll show you the air bladder system. It's right there. Pump it. And release it. Pretty cool. Like I said, super comfortable helmet. No buyer's remorse. Can't wait to take it out. I'm gonna go ahead and try to take this visor off. Okay, now this is the first time I'm doing it. Let's see how simple it is. Latch here. Oh, look at that. That was pretty simple. Just lift it up, pull this lever up and out. Hey, that's pretty simple. So guys, taking off the visor was super simple. Now let's see how easy it is to put on the dark smoke visor. First attempt. So we'll just pick the latch up and see if I can line up. One side in. Pick the latch up. Line up the channels. There you go. Hey, not too bad. That took me, what, 15 seconds? First attempt, I swear. This is how it looks with the dark smoked visor. Actually, it looks better with the dark smoke, I gotta be honest. It's pretty mean. I think I'll keep the dark smoke on. And like I said, I'll put the pin lock on this, wipe it down, put the pin lock, take it for a ride, see what I think. Well guys, helmet feels amazing, looks amazing, super happy with it. For the price I paid, for it to come with a dark smoke lens, a clear lens, and a pin lock, you can't beat the price. I would definitely check out the Scorpion Exo R1 helmet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, ride safe and I'll see you on the road.